Guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this glowy simple makeup look right here. So I used the Huda Beauty Nude palette with the Charlotte Tilbury palette to achieve the eye makeup look, and I took that light shade from the Huda Beauty Nude palette as my transitional shade, and then the dark shade from the Charlotte Tilbury palette as my lead shade. So yeah, I actually received these products from Sing Group, the Charlotte Tilbury products and the Fenty Beauty product that I featured in this video. I received it from the Sing Group as a PR gift. So yeah, so I used that palette, the dark shade in the palette on my lids, and then blend in the shade from the Huda Beauty Nude palette on my outer videos. I don't know what I'm saying. Yeah, so yeah, I was quite surprised about how pigmented the shade from the Charlotte Tilbury palette is. It was like bow pow, like I'm quite surprised. I really like that. Yeah. So next, I move on by lining my eyes with the sleek eyeliner. It's a liquid liner, obviously. So yeah, I apply number 157, and next I move on with the face by applying my primer by touching Soul. This is my first time trying this, and it's really nice. It's very moisturizing on the skin and very lightweight as well because it's water based, which is really good. And next I blend that in with my beauty blender. Then I applied my foundation, like the Kat Von D foundation. It's a little bit darker for my skin tone, but yeah, I just had to go with it anyway. So I blend that in as well, but in a very circular motion. And next I move on by applying my concealer. I used the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. It's actually one of my favorite concealers, you guys already know, and I believe it's a little bit dark for my skin tone or for the purpose that I was going to use it for. Then I went ahead and applied a tiny bit of the Huda Beauty overachiever concealer on that, which is the small dot you see on my. Next I set that using the Huda Beauty Easy Bake powder. I really like this setting powder a lot. Like, it's very lightweight on the skin and it doesn't add to your makeup, like cake it up or nothing. It's so you know I don't know, it has a blurry finish to it that I really like a lot. But anyway, I used the other shade called Cinnamon as my contour shade as well. I am quite impressed with the Fenty Beauty highlighter because it's my first time trying that particular shade, and it's so you know silky. I don't know how, it doesn't have glitter to it, but it gives that flawless glowy look to the skin. I don't know if that makes sense, but well, we get to that in a bit. But yeah, the products that I tried by Fenty Beauty and Charlotte Tilbury, I'm using them for the first time, to be honest. So yeah, I quite like them a lot because I thought, well, I just need to give you guys tea about them while I film this video. So for the eyeshadow palette, it's quite expensive, but in my opinion it's also worth it because you know the pigment was like bow pow, like right in your face. You can use it on your lid and you can use it as your inner corner shade. So depending on the look you're going for, it's really pigmented. I'm always like, wow, I like that. And for the highlighter, ooh, Fenty did that. Yeah, I love it. And I also use the body lava in case you watch the intro, obviously. I love the body lava. It gave me that glow that I was looking for, channeling my inner J-Lo. Like, seriously guys, just that's just how I feel about that. I really like it a lot. So it's summer, so it's just an opportunity for me to channel my inner J-Lo and glow. I love it. Like, even before I applied it, I was already feeling myself. I like the fact that there's no glitter particles in it whatsoever, and I also like the fact that it smells amazing, guys. It smells amazing. I really love the body lava a lot because it's summer. We just need to glow, guys. We really need to glow. We need to glow. Yeah, I love how it smells. I love the fact that it doesn't have any glitter particles to it, and a little goes a long way. I learned my lesson the hard way because it was later that I discovered that I had actually applied too much in this video. You don't need as much as I, applied in this video at all, because a little, like 3-4 pump is enough to give you that jello glow you're going for. But look at that, guys. I went into it. I went into it. But yeah, a little goes a long way, and you don't need a lot at all. You're going to use that bottle for a whole long time, like seriously, because I love how easy it is to apply it, and with a brush you are good to go. The brush is just the perfect applicator for the body lava, because it makes it even spread nicely on the skin without any clumps or any rolls or bumps anywhere. So look at that, guys. I am feeling myself. That actually completes the look, really. The rest of it is just me showing myself, feeling myself, and having a good time with myself. Like, it just, you know, watching myself glow, nothing more, nothing less. Is that if there's anything that you need to know about any of the products that I showed in this video, please feel free to ask me any question whatsoever, and I will be happy to answer you guys in the comment section below. Yeah, so I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. Yeah, so that's the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for all your support. Thank you so much for all your lovely comments. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, please feel free to subscribe. It's free. Hit the thumbs up button if you like this video, and if there's any suggestion for future video, please feel free to leave that comment below and let me know what you guys think. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.